My name is Philip Odango, and I am the creative director of Canvas Cosplay, originally from Paradise Hills, San Diego, California. I consider myself primarily a sewist, and I've found great inspiration in the superheroes and comic books and video games, and the paintings, illustrations, and films that bring to life these amazing and fantastical creations, and I'm inspired by these designers. And so I am inspired by the colors, textures, fabrics, techniques used all over the world. San Diego is the home of Comic-Con International. This is a convergence of creators and makers and artists and celebrities, and especially cosplayers. It's a celebration of the diversity of a wide variety of voices. People come together to celebrate their passions, their creativity, and ultimately their self-expression.